I'm going to be offering to my subscribers a free Fiat 500 airbag module repair service. So if you see this video and you want your airbag repaired, your module repaired, then just send me an email first, because what I need is that number. Okay, so 519-64430. Okay, that's one type, and this is another one, 519, again 18659. So you'd think, looking at them, you think, well, you know, they're pretty similar, shouldn't be a problem, but in fact they are completely different. This one, we read this little chip, so what we use is the CG100X, okay, with this clip on it. This clip clamps onto this EEPROM. Okay, on this one there is no EEPROM. It's all done via the processor, which is there, okay, which my equipment won't read. So if you want this service done, you will need to read this one, okay, and then what will happen is, so say for example 519-66430. If I go to my screen, okay, so this is the moment this is on, so this is the 519-18659, which is this one. Okay, so that tells me that it's a 95320 EEPROM, which is that little monkey there. It's hard to see. If I zoom into it, you may be able to see it. There it is, 95320. Okay, so that's the EEPROM. I would read that with the CG100, get the file, put it into this software. Let's go back to this, put it into this software, and it would then download into the chip the correct information for that vehicle, so it would then work perfectly. But if we put in, for example, this one, which is a 519-64430, if I can find that one, 5196, there it is, 64430. See, it tells me it's this is the MCU, this is the main processor, and I can't read that. Okay, but if you send me that file, I can open it, repair it, and send it back. Okay, so it's most important that we get this number. All right, I've got a list of the ones I can do and the ones I can't. Basically, if it's got that little EEPROM, I can do it. All right, any questions, just let me know in the comments, and we'll just take it from there. Like I say, it's a free service at the moment. If you send me your airbag module, I'll see what I can do. There'll be obviously the cost of postage, and we'll take it from there. Okie dokie, thanks for watching.